Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and in this model it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo or the video mode. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we have to scroll down to the video section, and the only option we've got here is the video resolution, so let's tap. And as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got 720p option applied, and we can switch it to 1080p. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.